Alright, so you guys see it, man. A big box. Let's see what's up in here, man. Oh, dang. Oh, man. There's a lot of stuff up in here. What's good, LouieXIII? Who is LouieXIII back again? I am Louie. As you see, the whip is in the background as always. You know we gotta have a nice backdrop for you guys. But as you've seen in the title, man, one of my subscribers, actually more than a subscriber at this point, I never met him, but I could for real say that he's a friend at this point, man. Real cool guy, big supporter to the channel. Obviously, he just decided to send all this stuff for really no reason, man, just because he wanted to, just out of the goodness of his heart. And man, he sent me a whole box. I've had it for a couple days now, and I've been anxious to get to it. I just been real busy. So man, we're gonna open it up, see what's in it, and yeah, man, see where we go from there. But before we get started, if you guys are new to the channel and you enjoy the content, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, give me a like, share it with your friends, drop a comment down below, tell me what you guys want to see next. Without further ado, man, shout out to Jose. I'm gonna drop his link in the description. I'm gonna put it on the screen. You guys go follow him. He has a dope car, bro. I'm telling you, his car is nasty. That thing, pretty much what he did was he got everything that he gave, not everything that he gave me, but a lot of the stuff he gave me, he just replaced all the stuff with carbon fiber parts in his car. So you guys go check out his whip. You're not gonna be disappointed. It is crazy. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's go check out what he sent me. All right, so you guys see it, man. A big box. Look at that thing. Not no little box. He sent me a big old box. Look at this thing, man. Sheesh, all the way from Florida. Sent it all the way from Florida. This thing weighs 23 pounds. You know what I'm saying, man? Check that thing out, man. Look at me. Got this big old box of mods, man. Appreciate you, Jose, once again, man. This is crazy. I can't believe he actually did this, man. Super dope. But you know, without further ado, let's get up in here, man. Let's see what it is, man. Where do I open it from? And I've been anxious to open this and really see what's in here. It's been here it's been here for a couple days now, and I just been so busy uploading content and, you know, shooting content. I haven't had the chance to get around to opening it, and finally the day has come, and we're gonna see what's in it, man. He said that I will not be disappointed, and I could never be disappointed with anybody sending me anything, man. You know, let alone a big ass box like this. So man, I'm just grateful that he even decided to do this, man. You crazy, Jose, you crazy, man. But you know I ain't gonna deny no free stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, he taped this thing down real good too, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, guys, he has a 392 as well, except, bro, I'm telling you, all the mods he's done, he sent me a list. All the mods that he's done to his car cost the same amount that my car costs. And if you guys know how much my car costs, then you know. And if you don't know, then go back and check out that video, because I dropped that a while back. Damn, Jose, you tape this thing up good, man, and I don't want to just rip it open. Seems like a nice box. How the hell you open this thing? Oh, there we go. Damn, my dumb ass.
You stupid.
Alright. AFE powers. Let's see what's up in here, man. Oh, dang. Oh, man. There's a lot of stuff up in here. What do we have here? Something about... What's that? I ain't gonna lie to you, Jose. I don't even know what this is, man. I'm gonna have to look that up. Oh, Barton. Oh, shoot. Hey, and excuse the slippers. You know, we staying comfortable. It's morning time right now. I just got up not too long ago. Barton. I just drove my boy's Mustang. If you guys didn't see that, go back and check that out. He had a Barton short shifter, so you know that probably has to do something with the shifting. All right, so that's that one right there. So what that is, the red Barton shifter. I'm gonna have to look into that. That's crazy. Oh dang, check this out, guys. What? A little shifting knob. Oh, is that what that's for, or what? Let me see. Oh, maybe. Oh, okay. So it's a little shifting knob. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, I see you, Jose. Sheesh. Let's see what else we got, man. Oh, we got some tubes here. Oh, I think I know what that's for. Damn, we doing a whole unboxing on a bunch of stuff today, guys. I think I know what that's for right there. Yup. We got the oil catch can, you guys. Oh, shoot. Hey, I appreciate you, Jose. Damn, man. Look at that. The oil catch can right there. Sheesh. And there's a bunch of stuff in here, bro. Look at all this stuff. Jose, you are crazy, bro. I think that's just packaging. What's all this? Oh, I was looking into these. Damn, bruh. Yeah, I was looking into these for the wheels. These are the little use the camera footage, guys. Oh, yeah, these are the little for the wheels, man. Hell yeah, that's dope. The little bolt things for the wheels. Okay. Yeah, that's dope. I was looking into those recently. 6-speed. I don't know if that goes to the wheels too. It's got some more of them. Maybe that's how you tighten them down. I don't know. But yeah, man, these are all the things for the wheels here. That's hard. I was just looking into those too, Jose. My man Jay came through, bro. That's dope as hell. Let's see, what's this here? Splitter rods. Oh, you got a splitter? No way. Oh, the splitter rods. Oh, shoot, bro. Damn. Yo, I was gonna look into these as well. You sent me all the stuff that I was gonna get, bro. Sheesh. Alright, let's keep. We ain't even halfway done, guys. Look at this big ass thing right here. Oh, Momentum GT. Damn, that's a big ass intake right there, man. Dang, I don't know much about the Momentum, but we gonna look into that for sure. So you guys see, got the big old intake right there. You guys, what you guys know about Momentum? Let me know in the comments. Momentum GT. Damn. Okay, see what else we got up in here. Oh, the pedal box. They've been telling me about this. Damn, there you go, guys. You guys been telling me. And my man Jose came through, bro. Got the pedal box. Damn. This is crazy, Jose. Yo, Jay. This is crazy, bro. I was not expecting all this, bro. I was expecting like an intake, maybe an oil catch can. Sheesh. I probably sound annoying as hell right now, guys, but I'm truly like, I can't even believe all this. What's this? Ceramic. What's this right here? Let's see. Surface prep. Paint coating. Oh, is that like the ceramic coating? Ceramic boost. Oh, damn. Okay. I'm gonna have to learn how to do that. I can do my own thing now, man. I was thinking about getting my things ceramic coated too. Is this a ceramic coating? Came with he put the gloves in there and everything. Look at that. Damn, bro. Yo, this is like, honestly, this is truly a blessing right here, bro. I'm about to start crying up in this motherfucker, Jay. What the hell, bro? I don't even know what these are. This is nuts. Look, these things went all over the place too. I ain't even gonna lie to you, Jay. I don't know what those are, bro. I know they have to do something with the wheel. Maybe those go, yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that. I'm gonna have to ask you about that one. Maybe you guys know what that is. I know it goes on the wheel. For sure it has to. But we gonna find out what that is. Damn, this is nuts. Oh, got the little... Got the license frame. Advanced Flow Engineering. Okay, I see it. AFE, got some more stickers right there too. Damn. And there it is, guys. Bro, you serious right now, Jay? This is nuts, bro. Yo, you guys just hear me the whole time. Yo, oh, yo, like the whole time just... Bro, this is nuts. Yo, you know how much money this is right here? You know how much... Like, I was gonna look into getting all this. I ain't gonna lie, I got a oil catch can already too. You sent me that. No, I don't have none of the rest of this stuff. They were talking about that pedal box they've been talking about. You know, you guys been talking about, yo, get the pedal box. Well, there it is. Jeez, bro. Got the ceramic coating. I don't even know how to do that. I'm gonna have to look it up. Jay, bro, I'm so appreciative of this, bro. Let me show you guys Jay's page. He just started uploading more content to it. So let me show you guys. I'm about to hit you up right now, Jay, too, and tell you crazy as hell, man. Damn. Hey, I'm truly blessed that you would even, like, just out of the goodness of your heart, man. Like, we never met. Me and Jay, we never met, bro. Like, he just been supporting since I started this channel. And he just like, yo, if you want some stuff, send me the address, bro. I'll get it to you. And look at this. Look at Jay's page, though, man. Jose Cardenas 392. Check out his whip, bro. Crazy. You know what I'm saying? See, like I was telling you guys, he replaced all his stuff with carbon fiber. Look at the wheels, though. This car is crazy, guys. You guys got to go check it out. He got featured in a YouTube video. I'll link that as well. I'll put that on the screen so you guys can see it. Check out the bolstered up seats, though. Check out the engine bay. Crazy. Stay tuned for content from Jose, man. Check it out. Crazy dope whip. The mods on his whip cost as much as my car out there. You guys see it? Cost as much as my car out there. Crazy. Go follow Jose, guys. Oops. Go follow him, guys. He just started uploading content. Bro, I honestly don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. All I can say is you crazy, man. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. All that stuff, nuts. I was not expecting, I keep saying I was not expecting all that. Man, dope as hell, bro. We definitely gonna link up, and I owe you a couple drinks, some dinner. I owe you, bro, I owe you. Look at all this stuff, guys. My boy Rondo been telling me about that pedal box. Well, there it is, baby. My boy Rondo and my boy Joe. Dang, guys, and these, yo, these are hard. I love these. I've been wanting to get some of those. See, well, as you guys can see, man, we got a lot of work to do. We got a lot of work to do, man. Jay just saved me a lot of time purchasing stuff. He saved me a lot of money right now, man. You guys see the whip. Let me just check something out real quick. See how this works. See how all these mods over here, man. I'm over here modded up. Let's see how this thing looks in it. And it's the red one too. I don't know exactly how this works. What do? You just twist it off or something? You probably, I don't know how that's gonna work, but we gonna see. Apparently that thing probably just goes right in there like that. Boom. What you guys think? That's dope. I ain't gonna lie to you. Look at that, dude. Sheesh. That's like a little manual shifter, it almost looks like. That's hard. And it goes with the red guts. Look at that. Red on red. Bro, all I can say, just so I'm not annoying to everybody, all I can say is thank you so much, bro. I appreciate that. That means a lot. That support is nuts. That's crazy, man. I've said crazy so many times during this video. I still can't believe you sent all that, man. Appreciate you. And like I said, guys, we got a lot, as you guys can see, we got a lot of work to do now. I would have been happy with the smallest thing. I would have been happy with a sticker, bro. Honestly, you sent all that. Man, I can't thank you enough, bro. And you inspire me to give back, man, to, you know, help people out and just be a good person, man. That's dope as hell of you, bro. And I appreciate it a lot, man. Other than that, I don't really know what to say. You got me at a loss for words right now, man. I'm about to hit you up right now and tell you how crazy you are, like I said. Other than that, that's it for this one, guys. You guys seen all the mods. So basically, you know what's coming. You know what to look forward to. Look forward to all the installs on all that stuff and all the reviews on all that stuff. I got an oil catch can, an extra oil catch can. Maybe I'll give that away to someone if that's cool with Jose. That'll be on him, man. You know, he'll be giving that to one of you guys, you know. Hey, if you guys enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on none of this dope content. We got a lot on the way. As you can see, just from what Jay sent me, that's a lot of content right there. We got the mods, we got races, we got a whole bunch of stuff, man. Daily vlogs, so stay tuned, you guys. If you're interested in any of the products that I use, any of the products, equipment that I recommend, go hit up that description. All the links are in there. Purchase through those links and help your boy out. I appreciate that greatly. Till the next time, who is LouieXIII checking out. Salute. Appreciate you, Jose. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one, baby.